feel like your shampoo cleans your hair but leaves it feeling flat or dry? Been there, done that. Julie here, and today we're looking into the Nature Spell Hair Growth Complex Shampoo. And it's made for all hair types. And what I really like about this shampoo is how gentle it feels while leaving it still clean. Your hair is clean, soft, and more manageable. I have found that out that it lathers really well and rinses out very nicely. It makes my scalp feel balanced and my hair look shinier and healthier after washing. I give this a thumbs up.